Wait,
Oh, you're live.
What the fuck? You didn't tell me. There's no
But
one
you said
here
it was
though.
live.
No, but she's
Show
not
me.
saying, guys, start. They're like,
Start action.
Okay,
Show me.
three,
There was like 5 people.
1.
Okay, 3.
And what did you do?
Huh?
What did you
She
do?
didn't do anything.
I
She's
was
just
just
standing
standing
there.
looking lost.
And then and she's just like, this is Lela now. She was like, wait,
This one.
what half? My sellers are equal. Okay, not equal.
No, like the
Ish. Sellers are equal. Don't pass here. It's on the live. Unless you want to say hi.
Say hi.
Tell everything now.
Say
Then let's know when I go with it.
Say yes.
Why?
Huh?
Ari?
Are ka ba ko tlogetse hete?
Yo.
What's up? I'm only like, I like the lights in here all night.
Who are you playing with?
Hi
Who are you playing
guys.
with?
My phone was overheating
Come
there,
here.
bro.
How are you guys?
Come here.
I thought of the day.
Come here. Come
We're actually
here.
matching and jumping.
Come here.
Match and jumping.
You don't want to play?
Oh, that's
You want to play yourself?
better.
You know, like the brown and black.
Show me. This hair keeps on getting stuck on my hair. Come say hi to the people. You wanna see disaster? Disaster, je veux.
Everyone's
Stylist. Hey. No, I'm a professional stylist. I know. Kiapari.
Did you say hi?
I know where did I buy this from in Central?
Zara.
Oh yeah, Zara.
We see this guy.
H&M.
Big king.
Big baller.
Pretty.
Man?
Pretty.
Big
Eh,
man.
oh, decline now. Big man.
He's an influencer.
What do you do next?
Yeah,
So
big man.
Zara,
Big man cake.
H&M.
The white guy. Oh, he's good.
hair, I don't remember.
We'd always
Hands,
go around.
H&M or Zara, I'm not sure, in between there.
The wigs from Gucci.
Yeah, the wigs from Gucci. The shoes, seamless shoes. Seamless shoes, they from
Is this one?
God.
He even takes
Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker.
Yeah, I saw he was also giving people iPhone 16.
What is it?
iPhone 17.
Who said that?
I don't
This
know.
was when
Just
my
pray. We're thinking I go born. Go shop ngwanaka.
No, it's my turn now.
Okay, so
This shirt.
be nice to my sister. And next is Lela.
Yes.
Okay.
This shirt is from LV. And this
Oh, you're
is
watching
from like
LV?
Dolce.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not from LV. And then look
Cotton
from
On.
Cotton On.
Cotton on. Ish.
Oh, hopefully, no, the other shirt. And then from LV. So
Yes, the other
No, we
shirt,
forgot.
like
I think
this,
we
is
just
from
buy it.
LV.
We don't check.
Like it's similar, but then it has
Yeah.
I didn't see so.
At the back, it has the LV thing.
And then this
Was it from
is from
Yes.
like Zara, and then this is from like Mr. Price. You see, and then my shoes, the ones I was wearing, they're from like Johnny Walker.
Yeah. Okay, next, Lela.
Johnny Walker?
It's only for the goat.
Yes.
OTD, you have to move back. You have to
Hi
move back.
guys.
Johnny Walker.
Hi, y'all. This is what? Cotton On Factory.
Yes.
That's it. And these shoes from
Wait,
Chinatown.
the
No, she's lying.
she's lying.
How
She's
China?
lying.
Go buy
She's
Chinatown. Give 50
No, she's
rand.
lying. She's lying. She bought the shoes from. I remember we bought it together. Yes. I remember we bought it live. Go. We bought it like cash. Go. H&M or I think it was Cotton On, but the other
Oh,
stock.
I forgot. My hair is from like Nomkebo hair braiding. What?
Show Nom Kebo, okay?
Nomkebo is in the car. She doesn't want to come out, but then like you get it. And my sister took out my braid.
Don't give that story to embarrass. You're gonna
No, but then
embarrass
my
yourself.
sister
She's gonna
took out my
embarrass herself.
braid, which is like here.
Show the person.
She has a
No, I-
five bob. Can you guys see that she
No,
has a?
they can because
I
have
pulled
a
the braid.
She pulled my braid.
They're alive.
Don't do that. She pulled my braid here because she was fighting with me. Cause hey. Oh yeah, this
Yeah,
this
she's the
is
one
from
who's collecting them.
the woman here. She plaited me. I don't know, for free. She planted my hair for free.
I'm gonna post the
like-
page on IG.
Yes, I was
thingy.
influencing her like promotion and all.
Show
But
it,
then,
show,
like-
show at the back. Show at the back.
You get
How do you do it? Wait.
Knuckles braids. Charge again. We charge for length also.
Oh yeah. So this one is touch my ass.
Touch my ass. You
Type
get
of
it?
vibe.
Yes.
It's giving weave.
Yes, but then also it was fine at first when I used to buffer El Pondo until my sister took out my waka 5 bob
Yeah, ask her what she did.
because she was fighting
In jail in
with me. No, we're not going to my hair.
Yeah, because guess who started it?
Oh, I slapped her first. Let me tell you a story.
Baby, which one
So
is
we
baby?
were out
Hey,
in the bushes.
baby.
Yeah, we were out in the bushes, not in the bushes.
What the hell?
Like I don't know, but then like we were not on the point. Ne? And then after that,
You don't want to be.
I just went out crashing out, and then my sister followed me, and then we ended up at the police station somehow. And then after that, my sister was talking a lot because I wanted to release all of us. And then after that, my sister was like literally speaking a lot. And then I was like, you know what? You're making a noise. You're making a fucking noise.
Lela, what?
And then she didn't listen to me. And then I slapped her first. And then she slapped me. And then they were like, fuck off.
Some bumps, but we don't need to
Fuck
go
out
to
of the hospital.
Guys,
Yeah,
see here in
police station.
around.
Yes. And then after that, she was she fought with she fought with the policewoman, and then they slapped her. They moved her actually. They moved her and moved her. And then after that, yeah, she even jumped out of the car. And then after that, when we were at some, I don't know, at some road, she fought with me back because I slapped her. And then she took out my braid. Now I have a 5 bob here for some reason. And then, yeah, that's the story. Mara, they also moved her. The policewoman moved her.
There's no
Hi.
sweets there, bruh.
But then, yes. How much were my braids?
How much are the braids?
I was promoting, you get me? So, like,
How much?
how much
How
is
much are
it?
the braids? This one's.
This is 400 for this long length. I don't know. But then I would say is
short length.
Nonozile. Nonozile is the sister.
300 extra long. It's 400.
Extra long is
Extra long is 400.
Extra
extra
long.
long is 400.
So
and
this is basically 300, but like if you want like extra
no,
long.
this is 400, man.
Stupid.
Oh, extra long is here.
Yeah.
Even I'm slow.
Under the bum, right? So
No,
that's
it's not
400.
600 ish.
It's 300.
It's
This is
they are
300,
saying
yeah.
600. Can't
They used to braid with 600.
Yeah,
It looks,
nah,
it looks like 600.
it looks like 600, but no,
300
it
to
was.
400.
This is 300, and then 300 to 400 for like extra long.
Ah, that is 1,000. What do you mean extra long?
But
like
then December, guys, kale plaga ne.
Not only this, but a lot of hairstyles.
Lot of kale plaga ne, guys.
the other one that I do, daddy curls.
And it's cheap, very cheap. Hi. Kale plaga, guys. DM for order.
What? DM for order.
Ordering.
No, like I meant like
DM for
Appointment.
appointment. Yeah, DM for appointment.
But DM no zila baba mute.
At Nonozile.
No, don't DM. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram.
Yeah, she's going to post it on her Instagram
story.
store.
So you guys can get
TikTok
it.
story.
Yes, and guys, I'm with Lela and Nonozile and my mom and.
Of course, duh, you with me.
Yeah.
This is my life.
But then I'm with Lela, guys.
Lela doesn't wanna
Our
be
new
there.
guest.
You the one that
They
said
want
let's
to
go
see you.
live.
Actually, they want to see you.
Hi, boy.
They've been
They
saying
want to
Lela.
see you. Lela.
They've been
Lela.
saying Lela, I swear.
They've been saying Lela, and I've just been mising it all.
Okay, the queen is back. Move. So guys, so you already saw the outfit.
She took the spotlight.
Thank you for the roses.
I'm not saying your roses back. What is
Hi, Lela.
guys?
Yes, again. I'm getting out the people.
Bye bye.
I want my roses back.
Why are you
You don't-
switching off Lela? What long
My phone is overheating. That's the problem. Ish, that's how it's
Ish,
gonna
that
show.
child. Yeah.
Cause it's
Come, Lela.
gonna show. That's the thing. Cause it's hot.
Yes,
as
guys,
fuck
this is my
already.
other sister here. You see, we look alike.
long last sister.
Long lost sister.
Long last or long lost?
Lost.
Long last.
Long last lost sister.
So, Khoba.
Thank you. Why would you
Yeah, don't worry. Don't. Mind those people. They're stupid.
Baba tsaka ole.
Hey, here. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Oh, in the morning. Oh. Wow. Yeah, they must just leave me alone. And I'm so tired. I've been blocking.
How's your
I've
Wednesday
been
going?
blocking. Why do you block? Because I don't have time for nonsense and stupidity.
Yeah, other sister. This is my like second sister.
And the younger, because like I'm the first
she's
born.
birthdaying, guys. Like she's turning very old.
She's birthdaying.
She's birthdaying. That makes sense. Her birthday is coming.
Guys, don't be fooled. I'm the first born.
Are we gonna link everything?
She's the second born. I'm like the fourth born.
What's the number? I want to do my braids for December.
Hit me up.
Instagram.
Yeah, just hit me up. I'll be serious this time. Hopefully I don't mind you because sometimes.
We're going to post it on her Instagram. No, this. She is going to post it.
Who's we? As if you have access to my account.
On Instagram.
Actually, I do. It's just that we.
She's inconsistent currently because it's just a lot going on. But she'll be back on the Red app.
Oh, yeah.
Who has a lot going on? Are they saying
No,
they just send
posting on
joint
YouTube.
Oh.
She needs to take her life seriously. Tell her to take her life seriously. And then she will.
Post. Guys, I'm coming soon.
Anyways, guys.
Give me a few.
We're going to stream. No.
We want to start streaming.
Soon.
Really?
Okay. Stop blowing here. TikTok is I can blow a smoke. TikTok doesn't cancel. That was a good one. That was a good one.
TikTok.
Boy, yo, that was a good one.
Okay, put you on TikTok.
Okay, guys, they're sitting down.
Muskon.
Banana juice.
Cranberry
juice.
You want your phone? Okay.
Yes, guys.
Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
But we must give our mom wine.
Thank you, Yo-Yo.
Kitty.
No, it's not Yo-Yo, it's Lela.
It's Lela.
You're welcome.
It's your long last sister.
Oh, mommy, thank you.
Nakabadlong DJ, guys, anyways. Soon, DJ, ne? Ko DJ ako America. Oh, I'm also DJing this
Don't you
weekend.
think you should like start being DJ?
Oh, this top is from like LV. At the back it's written out. They're asking where it's from. They're asking for. I'm joking. Sheen. It's from Sheen. But then yes, gonna DJ this week Saturday get DJ ako drama, guys.
Book me.
Oh yeah, get DJ ako drama.
Yeah,
you must book me.
Guys, we speaking real life.
Ke masepa thata ka DJing. Hi.
So your mom is busy crying.
Which one?
Obama wena ne? I'll say he's like shop, right? Shop barak.
Sure.
Ish.
Here's the car. Look at that.
Nonozile.
They must ask me anything.
Ask anything about Nonozile, actually, yes.
Okay, let my mom come in.
Come sit here.
Hey, when I get out right now,
we're gonna answer.
this one, attention seeker. Hey, Kitty, don't.
Sit here.
I'm gonna stop this live. Say
Ask
anything.
How old is Nono? Don't ask ages, guys. Ages are very. Yeah. But
Ask any
How old
question.
is Nono Zile? Don't answer.
They know. And
She's 21 years.
exactly.
Okay.
Clock it.
You're so pretty.
How much is it?
Who's pretty? I can't say.
Open your eyes. She wants her shades.
I want my glasses so I can see.
You see, guys, she has the same problem. I can't see from far. This is what I do.
like sweaty boys.
Nice. Do you like Sasha for her?
Don't. When I'm Muscon. When I go to Barati, I want to lean in those guys.
Say the glass.
Are you actually like kind of blind?
You go, guys.
Okay. More on the somewhere there. More get the band thing. Moderator.
This is the same problem I have. I can't. Moderator, just
Guys,
block
ask
whoever.
me anything. Is Nono a problem child? Hell no.
Washa! What happened?
She's just a cool child, eh? Cool daughter.
But very,
Very what?
I don't know.
Baby
What do you want
shark.
to say?
She's
Very
just a
shy.
cool- yeah, she's very shy. It's just that
Oh,
you
shy
guys
winner.
don't know her.
Show me, I'm shy.
You?
And awkward. I asked.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like so, like it's so weird. For
How
me to
old
be
is your
awkward.
child? Which one? Which child are you
Lela
talking
or
about?
me?
Lela.
Lela, Bontle, Nono,
Don't answer mine.
Morena.
Don't answer Lela.
Rela.
And me, you answer no Zile's one.
Is she cleaning? Yes, she's even cooking.
Okay, don't. I feel like my mom is dick riding me a
speak
lot.
Yeah,
Afrikaans?
no. Be honest.
I speak Afrikaans
What do
more
you-
than Nono Zil.
Does Nono come from Namibia?
Nono Zil is from Northern Cape.
Yeah, me man, can't think now.
Do you love Nono? Oh, like, how come? That question I won't answer.
You know, I can see
How
from
do
like
you
here.
ask me if
can
I love
easily-
my own child?
No, I'm saying when you're standing here, do you think you can stand here?
Kimbao.
Can stand here.
Kimbal.
Kimbao.
Not
standing
Kimbal,
here.
but
You think you
Kimberly.
can
Speak Afrikaans. Hoekom?
Who
Hoekom moet ek Afrikaans praat?
Okay, dat is net zo wat achterlijk, die
Net
mensen.
so beklagtelik.
Can you see?
Where are you guys located?
You can see, no? Same. Oh, I thought I was blind.
Somewhere.
Around Centurion.
Somewhere in Gauteng.
Come
Is
sit
Nono
there,
your
sit there.
child? Yes, Nono is my firstborn child. Tell Nono to have a meet and greet. I'm her
Sit down.
biggest fan. Arrange. Then she will definitely come and meet and greet. I don't know where. Mama, can we see Jacobs, please? Why? It's my turn. Where's Nono? She's sitting right next to me.
Washa?
You look strict.
You,
Me?
sometimes.
If tomorrow is Friday, yesterday was what? Now you're taking me back to school.
Yesterday,
What yesterday was what?
I don't know.
If tomorrow is
I
Friday.
can't think. If tomorrow was
Friday.
Friday,
Yesterday was what?
was Thursday.
No.
If tomorrow
If tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is what?
is Thursday, then obviously Tuesday, yes. Mama can...
What?
If tomorrow was Friday.
Yes.
Yesterday was what?
Tuesday.
What Wednesday? Oh my god.
What the fuck? It's Wednesday. Tomorrow
It's
is
Wednesday.
No.
What?
No.
Today is Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday.
Yes.
If tomorrow is Friday.
And
Yesterday.
yes.
Okay. Because tomorrow is Thursday.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Don't go
So
with the
that
date.
would be what? It will be
Oh my
one
God.
day backwards.
Guys,
our
I'm the-
moderator.
Guys, please.
Wednesday.
Who's the smartest one here?
Moderate.
Because like,
Wait.
ask that question
Tomorrow
again.
is Friday.
If tomorrow is
Another
Friday,
question.
yesterday was
Okay,
what?
let's go for
Lela.
another question.
Wednesday.
Mama, can we
Answer.
have...
No.
no.
Lela.
Yes.
No, it's here. Talk.
Emma Payne.
Talk.
Lela. I want to ask
That
Lela.
question made me.
Lela.
Yes.
That question made me
Come
tweet,
here,
bro.
come here. Lela. Lela.
Dom on live.
No.
Wednesday, exactly.
Yes, Mama is right. Guys,
not that
you can't.
What do you mean?
So,
I'm right.
If tomorrow is Friday, yesterday was what? Wednesday.
Yes.
You guys said Thursday.
So,
They said
go hi.
Thursday.
Ke ngwana bokae? Reply.
Wait,
like
but
is
answer
that-
the
Jacob
question
still
in
with
English.
Sasha? I don't know.
Ke ngwana bokae?
If tomorrow is Friday, yesterday was what?
Who
That
can-
question is
Emma,
not
who
so
can-
good. Like,
Wait,
ask me
what?
anything to do with
If tomorrow is Friday, yesterday was what?
types and everything.
Wednesday.
concerns me.
No, if tomorrow is Friday, yesterday was what? It's
What
Thursday.
outfit? I didn't see that one. You must...
When
What did
Lela,
you
Lela.
name her?
No.
Why did
Lela.
you name her
Hi,
Nono
Ngwana
Zile?
Bokai.
Because she's
No, answer,
Zulu.
like ask that question in English.
Ah,
Nono Zile is...
I'm not Zulu.
Your dad.
But
I am.
I'm not Zulu, guys. Don't listen to
Tell
me.
Nono to do... How do you must vlog on TikTok?
I'm a black.
And ask
Can we see Jacobs? I'm also Jacobs. Which Jacobs
Ask the
are you
question.
guys looking for?
This is the original Jacob. by
I'm the
way.
original Jacobs. This one has just stolen my surname.
But she's not Jacobs anymore because she got married. So
Can we see Jacobs? She's sitting right next to me.
show me. They said
See,
tomorrow's
when you
Friday,
see me,
yesterday
you
was
see
what?
Jacobs.
Wednesday.
Because we
No,
look alike.
it's
Your
Thursday.
dad is Zulu Jacobs. Why are you denying that?
Tomorrow's Friday.
She don't
Yesterday
like
was
that.
what?
No, what is the question?
Mini
now,
Jacobs.
like,
Ask me
because now it's
questions. I
Wednesday,
said,
right?
you
So when
guys,
you say-
who's asked Nono when is she coming to
Hi.
Postman's Back? You?
No.
Yo, I haven't been to Postman since.
I doubt she.
Question
she's
ele
coming
mabae.
soon.
Oh yeah.
Home
At
to
home.
Kimberly or
Ask
Kuruman.
Sile, wait.
Wait, guys,
Everybody.
wait.
Ask that question. Remember when we were Googling?
No, I'll
you must
ask
answer.
it.
That's it. Ask.
Elia, Gastran.
Eh.
Yo, Strana so deep, yo. Okay, let me ask
And you guys must answer
a
in the question.
Oh, and you must ask the
it's a question,
in
ne?
English.
You must
I'm
answer in
trying
English.
to say it Gastran. Yo, my Strana is so betlachtelek.
So
How
you
do I
forgot
say
it.
it?
Okay, Boncha say.
Okay, guys.
Eh.
Give you a question and then you'll have to
Yeah,
answer.
just
Okay.
ask the question.
Ko gae ke ngwana bokae?
Answer. Ask the same question.
Yes,
In
ask the
English.
same
In English.
question in English.
Ko
Ko
gae
gae o ngwana
Ngwana
wa
bokae?
bokae?
ke ngwana wa bokae?
Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter.
At
No,
home.
no, do.
At home.
At home.
My house.
Nomsebo.
Babutisa if no wente umhlongwane yini umhlongwane. Guys, we are colored.
No, you have to ask the question in English. The same question I
Babutisa
asked.
if no has done umhlongwane.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, we don't know that.
The mountains. Like, we know when you go check.
Initiation, what was it?
Oh,
What the
what's
fuck is
this?
that?
Umemulo.
What the fuck is that? I'm not
When,
Zulu.
how do you know these things?
Because I want to do umemulo, guys.
You're not even Zulu.
I know I'm not Zulu, but then like it's cool.
What is that?
Like it's a
Ceremony.
ceremony.
No.
It's a-
We don't do such. We are colored. We've got nothing to do with that. Jacobs, Omotle, please.
Oh, not Jacobs.
Jacobs,
It's in you.
are you talking to me? Because I'm Jacobs.
Guys, who's answering the
When is
question?
no
Nobody's
coming to Mpumalanga?
Guys, no one. You guys are
Jacobs,
super.
Okala to Zulu.
Okay, a child. What child? What child am I?
What child are you
phone again.
at home? Which number? Nah, that doesn't make sense.
What's the happy question? Maybe you have it.
Ko gae ke ngwana bokae?
Makowi.
Ask the same
There's
question.
Mazima.
Ask the same question.
Ko
in
gae ke
English.
ngwana bokae?
Brother, your cocomelon is making
Ko gae
noise.
ke ngwana bokae? So you
so much
ask the
Kokomelo.
same question but in
In
English.
English.
Let's
Ask
take
me
it
the
out.
same question in English.
Yo, when na honorable mang just net so betlagtelik.
Are.
Hoop mos.
Arang honorable.
At home.
How many children?
Yena moderator o tlo lo blocka yong. Lo botsa dipotso tse di betlagtelik.
Yeah, moderator bilang o teng. Nay.
At home.
At home, what number am I?
You're already fucked up at home. At home.
Wa English ra ifela ka
I'm going to
What
ask
number
you
child are you at
guys.
home?
Ko gae ke ngwana bokae?
What number child are you?
Next.
It's promising.
Yeah, but the next.
At home,
How many children are you
what
at home?
child am I?
No, like
I get it now.
Are you the first or
Because
second?
in your head,
When are
think
you
you're
asking?
saying
No,
exactly how
guys,
ko gae is
question
at
ke hore
home.
like
So you want to
You
start
must
exactly
translate
at
that.
home.
that ko hae ke ngwana bokae
yes,
is
yes.
like
Guys,
you
should I
asking
give you a
someone-
hint? Should I give you a hint?
No, don't. It's like you asking someone a
Give them a
question.
hit sitting here.
Yeah. You
Okay,
asking someone
look.
a question.
Look. Okay. Come, Kitilo man. Okay, utla na va pele ke re ka di. So, I get ko gae o ngwana bokae?
What you wanna watch?
Ko gae o ngwana bokae? O ngutli. Ka re ko gae o ngwana bokae? O ngeditse sheba ko gae. Le ngeditse ko gae ke ngwana bokae?
Oh, short.
Amongst is in
Where
between.
no in
Yes,
Kimberley.
Amongst.
Which one?
and
in
there's
between.
no home
Which one do you want?
or house.
No, there is at the end or in the
What
in the
position
beginning.
am I between
At the
my
end, a
kids?
sibling.
Position. Yeah, no, I don't forget.
What position am I between at my home? Position.
Hauna home.
So you guys, y'all,
the position, I think.
Ko gae ke ngwana bokae?
And we're not saying you must answer. You must not answer.
Ko
the
gae ke
question.
ngwana bokae? Utla. How many child are you at home?
Which one do you want?
Are you first born or middle born or last born?
Yo, Utla, ko gae ke ngwana bokae?
Mara, that is-
Are you guys have failed?
Give them the
Answer.
answer. Really, what's the answer?
Answer ke.
Well,
What
ready
number are
crack,
you in
Rona,
the
ready
family?
crack.
Yeah, that one.
What child are you?
What
at
number are
at
you?
home? Awa.
Keke.
Amongst all children at home.
Yes.
What
amongst
number
them
are you?
siblings.
Exactly.
What
Whoever
number
that
are
said.
you?
That one
correct.
that said siblings, it's he or she's
Whoever
correct.
that is, let me give you a
Yeah.
follow back. Come on, come on, come on.
Moderator
I
or
don't know.
dangerous?
Moderator.
That one who said
Moderator wa
siblings,
America,
whatever,
Amongst the
must come
siblings.
back so that moderator pin
Hey,
that one,
moderator wa blocker.
and you must follow the person. But am I first born?
at home among you and your siblings.
Is that direct translation? Yes, there is. And the way you bonang ka teng e ka re lo these private schools in battle again. Let's another question.
Amongst all my siblings. Yeah, what child am I? No, what child is it?
There you go. Leave it.
Your mom is so beautiful.
Leave your hands.
Nyabonga.
Yes. Say thank you,
The
Lela.
mother talks.
You're welcome.
Not always. The comments are broken English. Yo, I told you.
Gift. Guys, don't send my mom gifts. Ay, what are you doing? Send me gifts.
How? And the gift on my TikTok.
Choose.
Another question. I'm still thinking.
1 plus 1.
Another question shouldn't be accounting or what?
Yeah, ask accounting. 1 plus 1.
There's no paper here.
1 plus 1. Bona 2. Already failed. 11. Yeah. Scooby Doo.
May I ask where you?
It's 11.
Oh, I did TikTok banjale idira ka speed batong le di photocopy.
Mang.
Ke le montle so.
Who's more beautiful?
Photocopy ya ga Jacobus.
Nah. Ke montle ga se wena go. Ntshebe se ntshebe. Look there.
No, please.
Sheba kwa le mang.
What number
Like
child?
one go le the brill. Tlogelewa.
Hi bo
bontle o ya charge na hello na ngwe ke
hi bontle ka scrap sa gage.
Yo! Guys, can I have a phone and like very expensive? Get my iPhone 18 Pro Max.
18.
No kena adulang ko Kimberley or you also stay in Kimberley. Or
People like what?
We're all from Kimberley. How can Nono stay in Kimberley whereas the mother is not from Kimberley?
Mama Kichi.
Did you move on? Where to?
No, did you move on? Where to?
Like move on where to?
Me and you.
1 plus 1 me. You deserve a follow back.
How was that funny?
It was very funny.
It's funny. 1 plus 1 is equals to me and you.
Okay, X plus 2.
Mama kopela
X plus 2.
For the fact ya gore we said dikomo, that means o tsokwa go Limpopo.
Something.
A ke batla ngwana ka tle go ba le stress sa go mama bo mme ba re kana batho ba Limpopo ba bo mama ba re eng then
Okay guys, this is the end of our life.
I also have 18
guys,
Pro
make
Max.
it like I have
iPhone
iPhone 18 guys. You
Rata
have
maka le- Bomma,
to
yes, dumelang batho. Le wena dumela ithuteng.
No gale batho.
thank
Ka le
guys.
batho ba ga go gona.
O tlo kuruma le one.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
A ke buitse. The way
Now
I bua
police
ka
are
teng.
fine.
Fela, we home girls. Okay. From where?
Whatever.
No, do you...
No, it's not.
No, do you move on? Move on where to? Deben.
Tapuba wa ke tshware tshela te kgono tsena ko Durban.
Oh, bina le
Guys, Zulu. What guys so batla Briella Ntsare, stop it guys. It's not funny.
It's not funny.
Briella,
Yo, it's not
you
funny.
must tell them.
Why are you laughing, guys?
It's not funny.
Why are you
Why
laughing,
tell them?
guys? It's not funny.
Come tell them.
Ke buka di kgomo. Ga teng.
Malume.
We've got a lot of dikomo tsewa.
Ke di tliseneng dikomo.
We don't need dikomo.
We don't need them.
Na papa ka ba tleka
Di tletse
nna.
Friends ako ya
dikomo,
bokurumane.
so we honestly
Yeah,
don't.
papa ke
O tata.
Chief Prince
Friends.
King man.
Eh.
Yona yeo at the end of the day.
Let's go bye.
Bye.
Ke re kopa koloi.
O batle ya thula go
Lela ke no driver nga
O
ke na
kry
le
license. O kry license.
license ka sane.
Eh?
Ke re kopa koloi.
like mother, like daughters. Sis?
Yo.
That was rude.
Yo, I receive.
Why would you
Guys,
say that in
damn.
front of the live? Why would expose her?
I think a ghosting.
Then I'll bring Ryan. I got a TikTok, right? Like this. It's so interesting.
We don't care.
We'll
Botswana.
buy another one.
Botswana. Hi, Botswana.
Mama
Hi,
kana le
Botswana.
Mafikeng last.
What do you mean, hi, Botswana?
I was in Mafikeng. I don't know
Botswana.
where in Mafikeng.
Mara-
Wait, what did you say?
Mafikeng.
What did you say, Botswana?
Because I
Dup and
like the
Mafikeng.
country.
Why do you say Botswana? It's not Botswana.
Botswana. Babulela bota. You know Kurumane Mara. I'm not there.
My mom was
And
born in
ha botlhoko
Kurumani.
jwang?
Mapoteng, Motibistata, Batlagose, Dichoshwaneng, Makojaneng.
Oh, thank God, I was not.
Like,
Never mind.
we're
Yeah, I
from
don't know
Kuruman.
please.
Kuruman.
We,
Re bua tla.
we.
Tla.
Are you not from
Tla
Kuruman?
Kwano.
If I'm from Kuruman, you're from there.
I wasn't born
Mama,
there.
do you know Sasha? Spotek? I was not supposed to read that. Babu blocking.
Moderator, W moderator, W moderator.
I moderator first.
Ah, God, bon, oblokile gape mong, star boy.
Moderator a tshameke.
But it's serious. Serious business.
It's 2020.
Do you know how to dance Likombo?
Mang. The company. Oh, like Shanti, 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 mama.
Yona eo at the end of the video.
Aye.
Tell them.
Stop,
Hey!
Hey, if you show the child.
They're going to what?
Restrict 2 seconds. Guys, this is my.
Say sorry, hi
Ka
guys.
Benny and Bet.
Stop it, guys.
2 seconds.
Stop it, guys.
Take out the dummy. Take out the dummy, kaka.
Stop it, guys.
Brela, kaka. Yo, this child.
Stop it, guys. They want.
They're going to. What do you mean they won't?
Eh.
How about the banana?
You're the owner of TikTok. You say they want.
Exactly.
Yes, I'm the owner. Oh, your mom is the owner. Your mom is well known than Nonotzele. Yes.
Little mama, guys. Bye bye.
Wait.
So say,
This is not your account, man.
They're going to remove restriction like kids under 8. Under.
The age of Brella lo no rata di.
Monte.
Clarissa, Benny, and Betty are sharp.
Go pee. Where's your sweet? Harry Emma.
Ba go rata makhadi ngonya. Wena.
Sheba,
Emma ke.
Makati ke I go.
Le mmotse ke mo fa wo.
Wena di buffalo ka go tswa di buffalo tsa ga Cyril Ramaphosa. O up mo.
E tlhaga eo.
A go tlisa di buffalo.
And the buffalo joy.
Bakali.
Ke tsa ga Cyril ne.
Bakali Kimberley se go go one ne.
Cyril owns buffaloes.
Mapote.
Mama, you are so beautiful. Thank you, darling.
Cyril knows
Jacob says a child. From where?
Yo.
This is my
Oh, yeah. Oh, Lena Ramadebala, this child. Ashu, child. Can you all
child
pronounce
support.
your
I can get
name?
child
my name.
My name. Untabisitse.
Tabisitse.
Yes, but lachte like Untabisitse. O nagantsa ga le khona go bala.
Sheba ga mo
O lelaeng. Tsile.
Ro adima koloi, ro adima.
Nana se lo batla thusa.
I'm not driving.
Driver
Lena driving.
lela. Hey, una le license.
I'm gonna drive from tomorrow.
From tomorrow.
Now.
Kaya now.
You see?
Plus either way tomorrow when you're getting your license,
When
you're
you
going
guys
to.
come to
illegal.
Kuruman, please
When you're
say.
getting your license tomorrow, you're either going to do the
Yeah,
drive
guys,
test.
no sila ampora tulisa koloi ka tsoko
No,
phone guys.
I didn't even. Ask my mom.
Tile, one
Do you believe it?
One
Go
minute.
to this koloi.
Yeah. Today in the morning, go robot.
Guys, okay, sharp. I have trauma and then what?
What happened? Wena man, who up? Moderator ntsha motho wa.
Life happened,
Mr.
guys.
Benz
Ukai.
Ukai.
Ke mang Mr. Benz? Daddy.
Mr. Benz ke mang?
They do go Kimba.
Look Kimba.
Kimba, look America. Wait,
E le go ke Benz ga teng.
wait, ba bua ka mang o tlola ba batla.
Okay, a itse. O pheo Sasha. He modumame.
O tsere ditso la ka mara like
They brought Africans
I
on
want thata guys.
Hello auntie, viso auntie wena. Mama's got more drive is a bu. I get this.
Wari narwe. Moderator block. Block right now. Block that person. Today I'm in the mood of blocking. Block that person.
When a pelonzo in the mood of blocking.
Block that person. Moderator? Nay. Block them.
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law ya ga mangwena. Because
Block
we
them.
only one son-in-law.
Whoop.
Where?
Go America.
Oh, Lela. I was confused. I was like, Lela.
When are you coming back to Joburg? To do what in Joburg? Because we are
Son-in-law. What's your boyfriend's name again?
Don't. Go America.
America.
Don't expose. Work America.
That one really long last
Because she lives in America. So.
America.
and but then about to work about to
But in that and that's why you block it.
block and you must block them.
Block affair.
Why are you
Jacobs?
Why are you Jacobs?
Because her name is Jacob.
Cause why are we Jacobs?
Guys,
Maybe I should ask my mom.
Yeah?
Why are you Jacobs? Because we are
Papa
Jacobs.
Mama unyetse Papa Mama umu.
My grandmother's Jacobs and she became Jacobs and I became Jacobs.
Mama umutle.
Umutwana.
The other one says Mama Mutwan.
Umutle.
Where do you live in Kimberley?
What you do, Jacob?
Mara, we did it at the
Guys,
first.
we did it in the beginning of the life.
Gucci.
Show me. I'm gonna leave my mom with the life, and then we're gonna go quick.
Ke tlo go bua le batho ba di yela daga lo seo. Yena khotela tla ba tlagtela.
Ankere like we're promising her
We like up there.
to go by grandpa.
But then Cleo must also be fetched from
Yeah, we'll
Fred.
pick her up. Uskawa. Cleo is Nonda's child.
My favorite people. Hi, do.
Favorite people like.
We are your favorite.
You can make two people moderate at the same
Unfortunately.
time. Our moderator
My
is working
surname is also
overtime.
Jacob's work.
What if? Fela Jacob, Jacob Zuma has a family.
Even
Yeah, Jacob Zuma is not surname. Zuma
Man,
is
what if we
surname.
swap it around?
Man, oh,
Think about it.
yes, we're not covered of
smart.
Nani.
You guys speak Afrikaans sometimes, not sometimes. Always.
1.2K people
Guys, if you love my mom, don't love her on my channel. Go love her on her
on
channel.
her channel.
She's currently on like 11K, whatever there.
Yeah, because we post about Kanyimba. You.
Arring Naru.
Jacob is colored, right?
Oh,
Yes.
Half.
Fiki Lembao.
Account Lioness. Go follow me.
Tikile.
Lioness.
Don't follow her.
Don't
promote yourself.
Tikile.
What's her what?
What's her account? Tikile.
It's Lioness.
Tikile.
Don't promote yourself. I know she feels.
Don't do that.
Bagudre.
They're gonna.
Pin your account, Mama. No, doesn't want.
She doesn't want. Because Oslech.
No, slech lamuzi. When you come back, I will be following back everyone who's here.
Anyways, guys.
Should I follow you guys?
I'm my mom's favorite
Ka
child.
account ya ga Nonozile.
I'm my mom's favorite child.
Cause cutting. So kill follow her back. She won't notice, ne?
She will.
Mommy loves how what? I don't know. What are you saying? Ngiyabonga. Kuba ngwana nawo.
One fella, man.
Huh?
Ukuba one fella.
Oving. Not Nonozile.
Not Bunti.
I'm going to follow
Nana,
Mama.
I can follow you.
Uskabo mamela gato. Nonos batlak. Please type your account down.
Komota.
Utla spicy.
Komota.
Your TikTok account name Lioness.
Akbat.
Lioness. You will see me.
Langtwara chat.
Pink. My profile picture keep pink. Yeah, but that one.
It's her other PM, guys.
Pink BM. Wearing I think black and white.
Yes,
Just say
a white
Lioness
hem.
Tile or Tile 3 whatsoever. 392. Ne?
Uyabatshontsha and Tina's
Yes,
time.
Lioness. Can I get Bontless 10s?
Yeah, I don't even have a phone. I have 2 phones, guys, but then they're both broken. One is sitting over by Lucas. Mama ka.
She must first finish her exams.
No, but then I study with my phone and she doesn't
You
understand.
can study with Lee
I'm not
and
in because like
Are you okay?
go life happen.
Why are you so quiet?
Are
you okay?
I'm watching Coco. Sweets. We'll go buy
Okay,
for you.
they will go to the shop to buy sweets for you.
Account number like 1,306.
I can't find the account. Yeah.
9,000.
Iko, pick account, yeah.
1,000.
Ngena ko yon.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Ke kolota 9,600 no 9,000
How old is Bond?
1,360
14.
Ke kolota 1,360
Zamaya man.
Batla,
phone ya ka imo kolong ya charger.
and my mom is lying guys 14 is very young.
Why was I tinsa charger?
Because my phone is charging.
Ntshale khaza lewa. There's nothing in the cooler box, baby. Okay, let me open so that you see. Go to Nono. Nono Zile is going out now to go buy you sweets. Ne? Go fetch the money and go buy sweets. Go Nono. Is Jacob single?
Go to Nono. There's sweets in the house.
I will.
Nono Zile bought you sweet. Go to Nono.
Mara Jacobs. Kante.
Nono is at the house. Go get sweet and chippies.
Let's go, Kimberly. Yes.
Stop crying.
Are you guys? We're in Johannesburg. You making noise? Bye, guys. This sweet.
There's no other sweet. Okay, I'm back. Chat. Chat. Mama go blala thata mara like.
Charge the phone.
Go balang regular phone because I would choose. The young one is very, very young.
Go tell her not to come.
Retang like hi. She went into the house. I don't know to do what. Mara like she went in the house.
But I'm going with them.
My phone is fixed. It's just
I
that.
don't trust people with my car.
Yeah.
I'd rather
Studying is not for the weak.
Wakasa.
Hi. What guys? Yo.
Making noise. Won't let on live. You want what?
Like I got the phone. I don't want the phone.
You want what?
I'm swinging my phone.
What do you want?
What age are you? Guys, we take a grade mama. Ke feditse ka sekolo. Mara like lantshwara chat. Hi Malika se. Le kae Malika se? Le nna ka phela.
Call teacher Piwe.
O ka mo ntlong. Yona we lebeletse. And I like, when I live at marathon screen recording, ne, ba ke ba itseng, and I like, a ke rate ka nna. So what are you studying if you won't go to school? Oh, mechanical engineering, guys study next month. Oh, ba le rena re tsogile. Oh, le rena re tsogile sa wa. Anyways, guys, next month ke reka R-Line MK8 la ntlhaloganya chat. Hi Crazy. Ke reka koloi next month kante. She's in the house. Jacobs is in the house. I don't know. She went with Lela. They are coming. Ke reka R-Line MK8. No. Nope. Yes, no, y'all have been looking for. She's back.
Sorry. No, sorry, girl. So like,
Who's Instagram?
okay, that's Cap.